Okay, then let's start with the practice query. Let me quickly share my screen. Stay on the page. Sharing my screen. My screen is visible to everyone, right? Okay. So write a query to concatenate first name and last name. Okay. Name that column has full name. Okay. From employees table. Okay, team. So write a query and share it with me. And let me know if you have any questions so far.
Mukul, is it right?
I'll check. Let's wait for other.
Okay.
Okay, let me check. So I got a query from Aman. Your query looks good. You don't need to add employee ID. Okay.
No, but why I wrote employee ID? It's I know that I have written already like select concrete first name last name as full name. Okay, but why I wrote employee ID? Like
Hmm.
let's say there is a table named employees. Okay, so
Okay.
in that it will be employee ID, emp ID, first name, last name, contact details, or like
Mm-hmm.
salary, like
Mm-hmm.
that. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I wrote emp id, otherwise I know that select concat would be there, because from the employee table, as you are telling to concate first name last name, so it will choose the employee id column, not the amount or contact details or email or like that. It will focus on employee id section column that
No,
we
no,
have
no, no.
to.
You are wrong here. You
Okay,
don't need
okay,
to add. Okay, employee ID. It will not impact anything on any row. Either you can
okay.
add or not. Okay. You can try
That-
without
Thank you.
like put that
Okay,
employee ID. You can see the same result. Okay. It will
okay,
not
okay.
impact anything on the database if we are going to add it or not.
Thanks for letting me know. I
Yeah,
was,
if we use a
thank,
distinct on employee ID, that will impact on the
yeah.
database, otherwise not. That is an
Okay,
extra
thank you.
column. Yeah.
Thank,
You can
thank
try, check your end, just use count. Okay.
you. Okay,
You can
okay.
match the data.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Amisha, your query looks good. Good job. Okay. Tim, you are not sending your query. How you are going to learn SQL? And even in interview time, how you are going to write the things? No worries. Concat, first name, last name. Okay. So we have to give that column as a full name from employees. Okay. So here we can see a combinations or concatenation of first name and last name. If you are going to write first name and last name, that's fine. We can write. Okay. But we don't need to write any extra column like employee ID, job ID, salary. Okay. These things. Let me open the database. Give me a minute. Let me reshare my screen in a minute. Okay. Resharing my screen. Okay. Let me copy and paste this query. Okay. You can see if you are going to use count. Okay. Here, suppose you can see how many rows we have 108, right? You said if we are going to apply employee ID, you can see 108. It will not going
Oh,
to impact anything on
okay.
the
Thank you.
database. It will only add one extra column.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mukul. Like
No
it,
worries.
it really helps.
Yeah, you can see 108 records here.
Correct. 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 Correct.
Okay, move on to second query. Write a query to fetch employee ID, first name, last name, salary, job ID. Okay, from employees table, only those employees whose first name starts with S or M. Okay, and show the salary into ascending order. And team, if you have any question, you can ask. Like he, I mean, Aman have doubts, so like he first share, okay, what he knows, and then I clear it. Right? If you have any question, you can ask with me. Okay, move on to next question. So just write a query and share it with me, and let me know if you have any question or confusion. Okay, let me check. I got a query from Nikhila, Aman. Uh,
So first was Mukul, right? Like I by mistake it was I wrote enter, so I wrote this one. So select employee ID, first name, last name,
mhm.
salary, job ID. Where first name, like here you are asking about like the name,
Here,
first
last
name
query
starts
looks
with
good.
yeah.
Okay, good job. Let me write it myself also. Uh, so select, we have to fetch these columns. Okay, we have 5, 6 columns. So let's write these columns first. Salary and then job ID from employees. Okay, where first name, right, starts with which character? S. So of course we have to go with like, okay, whatever we covered in previous classes. S, okay, and we have second character also. So again, we have to write column name, first name, like ampersand type, okay, and we have to show the salary into ascending order, order by, and then salary ASC, okay. Let's check in the database. Okay, it's showing issue with which column? Employees. Why so? Because we don't have that employee column. We have employee ID. So just change it. Okay, and then run it again. So now first you can see, okay, those employee whose first name starts with S or M. Okay, and it showed the salary into ascending order. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Team? Aman, yeah, clear, right? Bharani, Vasam, Shiva,
Yeah, yeah.
Nikhila, any question?
No, no.
Okay.
Hello, guys.
Yeah. Good evening,
Hi,
student.
thanks. Good morning, everyone. Okay. So everyone write correct query, Mukul? Mukul, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, so how everyone's practice going on, guys? All of you have finished DDL, DML, all these topics, or you guys are facing any issues? Anyone? No? Okay. So let me share my desktop and we'll continue regarding last class stories. Before moving forward, I hope all of you have seen our Insta videos, right? Some of the videos we have released, it's very interactive, and you guys can just go there and watch it. Okay. So in the last class, I was talking about order by and aggregate function, max, mean. So if I need to get department ID wise, max and mean salary, right? So what we can do, we can just write select department ID, max, salary, and mean salary. From employees, and we can do group by department ID. So in that case, what we are trying to get here, you are getting department ID wise, the guy who is getting max salary and the person who is getting mean salary. But suppose if you have to get whole employee detail in the sense what is that lucky guy who is making 600K, right? And there are looks like many people in each department who are making very good salary, right? $11,000, 13,000, and then 300,000. So if we wish to see their name, how we can do that? Because if you are just going to write name of the person, it will give you error, right? As in the last class, we saw that in aggregate function, you cannot bring any column just simply without any aggregate function applied on that, except the group by column, right? So let me just give you some idea how we can get it. In SQL, result of any query, you can use it as a table. Got it? What does that mean? It means the query you wrote here, you can use result of this query, and that's this one, right? This one, you can use it as a table. How it's possible? So let's see how we can make it possible. And then once I will make this result as a table, and that will not be permanent, it will just temporary. But there are two methods in database. Do you want to create physically that temporary table, or you just want to create logically that table? So right now, we are going to create logically. Basically, result of this query, we are going to use as table, but it will not create in database. It will just exist in database memory itself. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to give aliasing of this column as MXL. Okay. And this one I will just write as MN cell. Okay. And once you will put a parenthesis on this query will become a logical table. Okay. Then what is use of this logical table? So let's see how we can use it. If we are just going to say select a star from this table. So in that case, what do you see here? It's not going to give you any data out of that, right? But what we are going to do, this one we will join with some other table. Okay. And then let's see how it is going to work. So I'm going to join this one with employees table. Employees inner join with this guy.
So it means, sir, you are using subqueries, right?
Why you are kind of like reaching to just conclusion, man? Let me make
Oh,
little bit more story.
okay.
Okay, that's right. I'm just pulling your leg. So that this is called subquery. And basically, this query, whenever we write under parenthesis and execute first, we call it as inline view on E dot department ID equal to A dot department ID. Okay, but here let's see what we are trying to achieve here. So from first one, I just want to get employee ID. Okay, so E dot employee ID and E dot first name, because I want to see the guy name, right? Who is that lucky guy who is getting that much salary, right? What is you guys' dream salary? Can you message quickly? Let me see. Just put in dollar, please, or in rupees lakh. You can write lakh. Okay. So first name and then E dot last name, E dot salary. And suppose if I want to get all the columns of table A, I will just write A dot asterisk. Okay. So it will give you all the columns from table A basically.
Why we use, sir, A dot asterisk?
If you will not use, let me just show you. Suppose if you want to get all the column of table A, which is table
Okay.
A?
So,
Table A is query result of this select statement.
okay.
And in that you have three columns, department ID,
Max
MXL, and
salary.
MXL. If you
Yeah.
want to display all the columns, go with strict
Okay.
instead of just typing three columns here. If you want to get only few, then you can write just A dot the column name. So now you guys can see here.
Sorry, I didn't understand, sir. Can you please repeat once
Okay.
again?
So see what we are doing. We are joining two tables. Okay.
Correct.
What are
Correct.
the tables?
So one
Employees
is
table,
employee. Yeah.
correct. And another one result of this
The employee
query
table.
we are using
Yeah.
as a table.
Correct.
And we gave name as A for this one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
we are just joining based on department ID, this
Okay.
table E and table A.
Each table.
Got it?
Okay. Okay, okay,
So now,
okay. So you have what you have done, like the inner query, you have taken it as A, and like the outer query is you have taken it as alias E, and now you are joining the
correct,
A table and E table based on the department ID. Correct?
correct, correct. So now if you will just do order by, you can see here for
Thank you, sir.
department 10, no problem. Department 10, since you just have one record, so you are getting here. So let's see, this guy is getting 64,000. So this is kind of okay salary, right? Not great. You guys might not be impressed. But this guy on this department 20 having two guys and one of them salary, Michael's salary is 13,000. But this guy's salary is 8,000. So basically from department 20, I don't want to see this fat guy. His salary is little less, right? Not much. This Michael's salary is 13,000. So from department 20, I want to see only this guy, right? Likewise, department 30, how many people we have here? Department 30, we have 6 employees. Out of that, this Dan Raffaelli having salary 11,000. So from department 30, I want to get only this guy in result, right? What I can do, because see, right now, when I join based on department ID, it is joining with all the departments and it's showing all the employees. But I want to get only the guy who is having max salary in each department. What I should do? Anyone?
We can use the, if we are using order by, then we can use that where clause as having by, having, we can use, right? Because here we have used group by an order here, so we can use having as a where clause, or like
But
group by.
remember, group Y is inside in line
Yeah,
view. You're
yeah,
not
yes.
writing outside.
Having. Correct, 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 correct.
So you can see here in department 20, let's go back and see there is one guy whose maximum salary is matching with his salary. I want only that guy, right?
Correct.
In each department, one guy having max salary, and I want to get this much only. So if you will
Okay,
see row number two,
okay,
salary and max salary is same.
correct.
And if you will see department 30 guys here, in that case also, the guy who is getting highest salary, his salary and max salary is same, right? All other guys' salary and max salary is not same,
Yes, correct,
right?
correct, correct.
In case of DPT 40, you can again see Mukul Jain is also getting impressive salary, man. 10,000. So his salary and max salary is again same. So guys, what we should do in this query? Right now I'm joining only on department ID. Should I add one more condition here?
Yeah, we can, sir.
What should be
But
the condition?
the condition should be where.
See, this four column is coming from table E and this three column is coming from table A. And I join based on department ID. Do I need to use any other column also to join so that I can get max salary? Or if you guys think of any filter condition, you can see whoever is getting max salary, their salary and MX salary is same, right? It's equal. So can you guys suggest me a filter condition where I can get only max salary from each
Where
department?
can we write, sir, like where salary is like great, like uh, no, less than 10,000, less than equal to 10,000, and uh, like more than equal to 2125. Where can we write this like uh, clause?
You are like on correct path, but what will happen in one department you may have two guys or three guys getting more than 10,000, but
Correct.
you will have to get only the max one. So see, if you will see the data here for
Okay.
department 10, you can see their salary and max salary. It's
Correct.
equal, right? For
Correct.
department 20 also, what do you see? The guy who is getting highest salary. What is relation between
Min,
salary and MX salary?
min and max are same, both of them.
Correct. So sal and max sal is same, right? So what should be the filter condition then in where clause?
Where salary is less than equal to 13,000.
See, 30,000. you will get only one guy. But what, suppose if I need to take only department 20, whose salary is highest
Okay.
salary.
Yeah, sir. So where salary is less than equal to $13,000, group by, no, not group by. We can use like not uh, group by department.
Okay,
Uh,
see, I already got the result, but what I want to do, I want to remove all the guys whose salary and max salary is not matching. And
okay.
I want to get only those guys whose salary and max salary in his department is matching. So what condition I should write here? If you will see department 20, the guy whose salary and max salary is matching, I want to pick that particular employees. Again, for department 30 also, I want to pick only that guy whose salary and max salary is matching. So what should be the filter condition here? What is relation between salary and max salary? It either it is equal, not equal, less than, greater than, which record you need to get? You can see here department 30. Which employee ID you want to get here from this set? You
Sir, I
want to get
think greater than Den. It will be the first name is Den Raffali.
correct. So then, do you see the relation between salary and MX salary? What is the
Yeah.
relation?
So the min and max are same for the department 30, in which the maximum is 11,000 and the minimum is 5,000.
Minimum, we are not, we are just
Okay.
focusing on suppose highest one.
Maximum is $11,000.
And what is his salary value? Salary is also
11,000.
11,000.
11,000. Yeah.
So it is equal, right?
Correct.
In case of department 40 also, what we see, the guy which we
So
want to
yeah.
select, their
Correct.
salary and MX salary is again same. So if I
Same.
can just write here, salary
Same.
equal to MX salary, this
Okay.
one will give you the guy who is getting
Okay.
highest salary in each department. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
And anyone is saying something? Parul, can you go on mute, please? Okay.
Sir, I'm on mute now.
Now let's see. Suppose in this case, you may have many columns, and then you will have to write always this inline view. But this is just the max salary, right? If I want to get the data, I'm just disabling this condition, okay? How to disable any particular row? Just write 2 dash. So here what I want, guys, I want to see their rank also in terms of salary. So this is the top rank guy, this is the second rank guy, right? In this case, department 30, this is the top ranker, then this one having second rank, this one having third rank in terms of salary. I want to see that also. So suppose if someone will ask you, hey, can you tell me in each department who is the second highest salary getting guy, right? So in this case, it will be difficult, right? Like in aggregate, we just got max and mean. But if someone is asking any particular rank, will not able to display, right? So in that case, what we can
So
do,
in that case we can do like first we will, for the outer query we will take the whole employees, and then in the inner query we will take the like second highest, and we can compare also so that we can get.
correct. So in that case, we'll have to exclude the max guy. And then again, rest of the set, we have to take max and get the second ranker. And if someone is asking you fifth rank guy, then you have to exclude max, then again exclude max, then again exclude max, and then get the fourth rank. So it will be very,
So
very
if,
big
so
query.
if you are saying that if you want the fifth, then there we can use limit also, right?
The limit is not here in the SQL statement.
Okay.
So there is a function called window function. And there are three functions basically they belong to window function family: rank,
Dense rank
dense rank,
and row.
okay, and third one is row number.
Row number.
Let's see what are things these guys are going to do for us. Now let's write a query. Select. Suppose I'm just going to get all these four columns, and let's grab department ID also. And since I'm not doing any join and all, so we don't have to write this aliasing. Let's talk about this rank function. Rank. And if I want to get for each department rank, you have to write over, and then you will do partition by. Partition by department ID means you are grouping for each department. You are making a group for each department, but within the department, you want to calculate rank by what? So that you have to write order by salary, and then you have to decide, hey, do you want to get order by salary highest or lowest? So I just want to get highest one. And you can give name as RMK for an example from employees. Okay. So do you see what is the error here happening? Any one of you? From keyword not found where it was expected. So when I started this rank function, I have not separated with this department ID, right? So let's separate it. And then you got the rank. Let's do order by. Okay, it's coming already in order by department. So you can see for department 10, 1 rank, or 20, 1 and 2, for 30. 30, what do you see guys here? Rank 1 for salary 11,000, rank 2 for 6,000, rank 3 for 5,100, and similar rank for 3 employees. Got it? So for 3 employees, rank is 444 because they are getting same salary. Now, if you will see some more example, let's see Department 50. Department 50, rank number 10 is Kelly Chan, having salary 1450. And then you can see two rank here, 11 and 11, for similar salary. But do you see one thing here? Rank is suddenly jumping actually 11 to 13, right? Why? Because from this guy, there are two guys already getting more salary. So that's the reason his position in terms of salary is 13. Got it? So basically, when you write rank function, the rank value will jump based on how many guys getting similar salary. Let's try it out dense rank. Okay. R and K. I will just write rank. Let's try dense rank and what's happening there. Let's see. Now, in case of, let me just rewrite this aliasing, okay? Now, in terms of this dense rank, let's go back to this example. You can see rank is 10, then 11, rank is jumping to 13, right? But dense rank is not jumping. Dense rank is just saying 12. What does that mean? This is the main difference between rank and dense rank. Rank will tell that, okay, how many employees are getting more than this guy, Rajas. So 12 guys are getting more. But in dense rank, it will say in terms of salary, what is rank of that particular employee. So it's 12.
Sorry, sir. Your voice was breaking. Can you please repeat once again?
Sure, sure. So if you will see the basic difference between rank and dense rank is, you can see the rank is 11 and 11 for similar salary. But
Okay.
in case of rank, it's 13, the next guy.
Okay.
And this dense rank is 12. What does that mean? Rank will tell you how many people are getting more salary than this Rajas guy.
Okay.
So 12 more people. And in dense rank, what is the position in terms of salary for this Rajas? So that's the 12th one. Got it? There
Okay.
is one. Mhm.
Yes. Yes, sir. Got it.
There is one more function, guys. Let's see. That is the row number. Let's see how it works. So, row number, let me just write here this correct aliasing. Row number is basically it will keep giving you the sequence number within that department based on salary. For an example, let's go back to our old example here. For department 50, you can see till here it's similar, 10 is also similar. Then it's going to give you 11, 12, 13, 14 like that. Got it? So this is basically a sequence number within department ID for each row. Got it? So this is how we use rank, dense rank, and row number based on your requirement. And these functions are called window function. I slightly covered subquery part here by writing inline view, but there are many more subqueries. This select statement you can write in select clause. Select statement you can write in from clause, which I have shown you. And this select statement you can write in where clause also. Got it? So there are three methods to write this. And we call it as subquery. Why we call it as subquery? Because if any query executes before another query, then it is called subquery. Got it? So on Bani portal, the subquery and all is explained in very much detail, and you can go through that. So this was our overall basic SQL bootcamp. Okay, where you got idea about, first of all, SQL clause, right? Select from, where, ordered by, group by, having, and then single row function, then DDL, DML, null functions, aggregate, join, little bit subqueries, and window function. There are some more function called analytical function. In that call comes roll up, cube, and all these. The topics I have not covered, the advanced SQL. In that, there are topics like correlated subqueries, and then partitioning, index, normalization, and SQL tuning. Got it? That comes under advanced SQL. Maybe later we'll do advanced SQL bootcamp also, but will depend on our timeline and how much bandwidth we will have. We are very soon going to start many more courses for next month, and that are Azure, Databricks, and Informatica. Will flash out all the date and time again on Insta, YouTube, Facebook, and all these channels. Okay. My request will be all of you start following us so that you will get a lot of funny videos and very much informative videos though. Plus you will have a lot of SQL quizzes. I think all of you have gone through that quizzes, right? If you're not, you can just go to our YouTube channel and you will see a lot of quiz here. If you will go to post, here you can see many more quiz. So this is Databricks related. This is Snowflake. This is day 91 SQL journey. So you will get 91 question, and every day basis you will get SQL question here except on weekend. So all 5 days in a week you will get SQL question here. And if you will simply go through channel, you will get 91 interview SQL question here. Got it? And this will continue for 2 to 3 more years. Our target is like just to reach 1,000 days in SQL journey. Okay, but you guys can together go ahead and keep doing practice on that. We are going to do very soon Informatica demo also. In just 2 minutes, I want to show you how the tool look like. And if you like to join demo class, Priyanka will send you all the detail for Informatica and Azure demo. And if time permit, you guys can just go and watch. Okay. It's not mandatory for all of you to join, but first few classes we don't charge anything. So, just checking without any cost if you are getting opportunity, there is no harm to just go and see what's going on there, right? So let me log in the tool. This is basically a cloud tool called IICS, Informatica Cloud version. And what we do in this tool is, in SQL, you wrote queries and all these, right? In this tool, we take data from one place and load into other table. Means we take data from one table and load in another table. But you can do all the SQL operation here, like join, aggregate, rank, and everything. So basically, this tool is pictorial representation of your SQL query. A lot of lazy people, right? They don't want to write query. So they just come here and start using this tool. And this is just drag and drop tool where you can do all the SQL related works. Got it? So if I can just show you in one of the batch. For an example, if you have to filter out something, right? So this is our employee table and I want to filter something. Filter is where clause. I want to do filter salary less than 10,000 or first name is Steven. You can just write here and load into this table. Suppose you want to join two tables, right? Or you want to aggregate something. So this is aggregator. You can do some salary, mean salary, max salary, and all these. Then you have this is where clause filter. I explained you. This is expression where you can just do upper, lower, substring, and all these. Then there is join also. This is join. Like you can join employee and department table and load in any other table. So basically this tool is drag and drop tool for query. Got it? And this is, if someone knows SQL, it's very easy to learn. And there are a lot of jobs on ETL tool nowadays in market. Okay. So very soon we are going to start this Informatica demo and Azure also. So we will inform you accordingly. And whoever wish to join the demo class, you can just come and
Yeah,
join.
I
That
want to join
class,
the demo class for Informatica.
Sure, no problem. So Priyanka will let you guys know. And we'll see, because see, daytime I'm also working in office, so this is evening time for you, and this is most suitable time, I know, but for me it's office time, and somehow I managed to teach you guys this time. Mostly I take in New York time evening classes. So Informatica classes or Azure may be in evening. That is in your morning. Okay. So we'll let you guys know all the time and all these. And whoever wish to join, you guys can give a try to join Informatica and Azure, both batches. It's up to you, because there are a lot of demand on cloud tools nowadays, right? So Informatica Cloud, Azure Cloud, and Databricks, these three tools are in very much good demand related to data processing. So we'll let you guys know, and then you can join. But please go through our channels, okay? And you will get a lot of information there. Thank all of you for joining, and we'll see you soon in some classes. Have a good day, guys. If anyone of you have any question, concern, you can contact Priyanka later also, and then she will try to resolve all the questions.